Hi guys, you're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'll be sharing with us how to create express entry profile for Canada PR. So what you'll be expecting from this video is step-by-step process of each page of IRCC website, then how to create a profile with your spouse and children, that's if you have any, how to create as a single person, then exactly what to fill in each of the sections of your form, and I'm going to make it so hassle-free for you, zero confusion at any stage. And moreover, you don't need to pay anybody, you don't need to pay any agent, you don't need to pay any lawyer or consultant to get this done. So these are the things that you can do on your own. So let's go together to create this profile. So to create an express entry profile, the first thing you need to do is to go to their website. So www.canada.ca. Okay, this is the official website of Canada. So you choose your language, English or France. You take English. So when you open this page, you see other options, but you move to immigration and citizenship. So when you get to immigration and citizenship, we want to create a profile. So you see sign in or create an IRCC secure account, check your application status and processes. So you do my application. So sign in or create an IRCC secure account, you sign in. So when you open this page, we don't have an account, right? So if you have an account, you open with GC key, username and your password. But since we don't have an account, we have to create an account. So register for an account. Okay, so when you get to this page, they have two options: GC key, username and password, and Canadian Interest sign-in partner. So our main interest is to register with a GCK username and password. So you click on it. So it will bring you to this page. If you have an account, you sign in, but if you don't have an account, you can create one by signing up. So read the terms and conditions, I accept. Then you create your username. So let's quickly create a username. So create a password. When you are done inputting your password, make sure that the passport checklist is very, very important. 8 to 16 character, does not contain 3 consecutive character from username, valid character, lowercase. When you are done reading it, you continue. When you are done with it, you continue. So create a recovery question. This question enables you to answer the questions before you sign up, in case you forget your password. So you have a lot of them, you have lots of questions that they will ask you. So all you need to do is pick the one that you can easily remember. So when you are done with that, GC key sign up complete. You have successfully created your GC key, your username. They will tell you your username. So please select continue to verify your email. So they will send a code to you. Thank you. Continue. Yes, I have successfully secured this code. So you move on. 2-factor authentication setup complete. Setup complete. So terms and conditions. Make sure you read the terms and conditions. Once you are done reading it, you accept. Then moving on, you have create an account. So this is where you have to input your information as it appears on your passport. So I'll be writing it as it appears on my passport. So this security question is what they will ask you anytime you want to open your account. Anytime before you access your account, you need to answer these security questions. So the next step is view the applications you submitted. So these are the places that we have to submit applications, and these are showing entries. I've not submitted any application yet. application type, application number, application name, date submitted, current status, messages and action. So you come down. If you have anyone, you impute it, but if you are not ready to put anything for now, you can skip it. You can start an application. Apply to come to Canada. Refugee, apply for temporary health care benefit. Citizenship, apply for a search or proof of citizenship. So but what we are interested in is to apply to come to Canada. So you click on it. Determine your eligibility and apply online. Visitor, study and or work permit, express entry, international, express Canada. So what we are interested in is express entry. Click on express entry. So when you click on the express entry, if you don't which province or territory do you plan to live in, so you choose any of the provinces that you are interested in. Okay, so you choose one. Next, so the next thing is find out if you are eligible to apply. So you need to submit a language test for all programs under express entry. Before you start this application, make sure that you have your IRCC exam results ready. Okay, so make a selection, anyone you have, but I'll be going with IELTS. So next. Okay, so what date did you take this test? The date is the date you took the test. Next. So in this page you have to put in your scores. So let's go. On the speaking ability, make selections. Listening, make sure that you have high mark on listening. It's very, very important. Writing, so next. So in the last 3 years, how many years of skilled work experience? If you have any, you can impute. If you don't, you can also say you don't. If you don't have any Canadian work experience, of course we don't. It's none of the above. Next. So in the last 10 years, how many years of skilled work experience do you have? It must have been continuous, paid full or any equal amount in part-time and in only one occupation. So this states to explain that if you are working with a company, you have to stay with them for at least 3 years consecutively, and then it must show in your bank statement. And if it's full-time, state that it's full-time. If it's part-time, state that it's part-time, because you'll be submitting documents accordingly. Okay, none. If you are not sure of NOC for your job, you can find it out. Find the NSC page. So based on your answer, let's say that you don't have experience, you don't have anything, you just want to japa. There are other ways, there are other pathways you can travel to, you can migrate to Canada except express entry. So continue. Any answer you are giving, they make sure that it's correct, so that when you are uploading your documents, everything will correspond. What is your marital status? So you can apply as a married person, legally separated, divorced, annually, common law, never married or single. So you can just put not married and single. Then if you have a spouse, you can go on to also create for them. So the express entry profile, we are getting there. This is how it's going to look. It's still red, everything is still on red. So the express entry profile, complete your online application by choosing a section. You should review your application before you send it to make sure that it's complete and accurate. So start from your personal details, country or territory of issue. So you have to fill this one after the other. Fill it one after the other. So how many family members does Ekejojism have? You put in how many number you have. How much money in Canadian dollar will Ekejojism? You put in how much you feel like you are bringing into Canada. So if you have a relative in Canada, you can go on to tell them yes, you have a relative, or no, you don't have a relative. This person is George Chisomeke required. So this person's George Chisomeke required province or territory where George Chisomeke resides in Ontario. So you go on and check for your completeness. Check the application and everything. So when you are done checking your application and see that everything has corresponded, everything is all right, you save and edit this. Okay.